Hello, dear friends, and welcome to Maharishi Digital Hub. In the first part of this Excel series, you learned about some of the software's features. I hope you grasped them well. Now, let's learn how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in Excel, skills that will form the foundation for working on various new projects. Before we begin the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. This ensures you receive notifications for upcoming videos and can easily follow every step of learning advanced Excel. So, let's get started. Friends, prepare the format shown here in your Excel sheet so you can practice along. First, go to the cell beneath the sum column and type an equal sign. Remember, whenever you use a formula or solve a mathematical problem in Excel, it is essential to start by typing the equal sign. Start by typing the equal sign in the cell. Then click on the cell containing the number you want to add, type a plus sign, and continue selecting cells and adding plus signs until you have included all the numbers you wish to sum, just as I am demonstrating in this video. Once you have selected the final cell, stop adding plus signs and press the Enter key. You will see the sum of all the cell values appear. If you want to calculate the sum for the remaining rows as well, simply drag the bottom right corner of the cell containing the result downwards or double-click that corner with your mouse. This way, the summed values for all the cells will be displayed. Friends, you have already learned how to perform addition in Excel. Now, let's learn subtraction. To do this, type an equal sign followed by the lean unit in the cell below the subtract label. First, select the cell containing the value you want to subtract from. For instance, I selected the cell with the value 248. Then, I inserted a minus sign and selected the cell with the value 32. You can subtract any values this way by using the minus sign. As soon as I press Enter, the result of the subtraction appears. If I double-click the bottom corner of that cell, the subtraction operation will be applied to all the cells below it. Dear friends, let's perform multiplication in the same way. To do this, I type an equal sign in the cell below multiply and select the cell containing the value I want to multiply. Then, I insert the multiplication symbol, which looks like an asterisk, and select the next cell. You can select multiple values this way and press Enter to get the result of the multiplication. Dear friends, you can perform division in a similar manner. Type an equal sign in the cell below divide and select the cell containing the value you want to divide. For example, I first select the cell with the value 248, insert a forward slash, select the cell with the value 36, and press Enter. So, friends, you have now learned how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in Excel. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel. Type yes in the comment box and share this video with your friends as much as possible. Thank you very much for watching the full video.